How to be happy alone in life. Guide to making yourself happy. Welcome back to Natural Healing Guides. In today's motivational video, we are going to discuss effective ways to make yourself happy in life. If you have not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing now by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon. Depression is slowly becoming the order of the day. When you look at your life and the world in general, you may be tempted to fall into its trap too, but no. You can't let that happen. Happiness is a choice. It is waking up every day and deciding you won't let anything put you down. The search for happiness is unending, but you can stop searching and start enjoying it. Happiness comes from the inside. All you just need to do is allow it flow. How to be happy being single or alone. People who feel they have been single for too long, those who just had a breakup, or those whose partners are away often find difficulty in being happy by themselves. Have you ever found yourself thinking that you will never be with the right one nor be happy by yourself? Don't worry, this video was specially crafted to help you find the way to be happy even while you are alone. To help you find happiness, this video is divided into two parts. The first to help you realize all you can gain from being single, and secondly, how you can enjoy the benefits. The benefits of being single. Being single is one of the best times in a person's life. This is because a single person has the time and freedom to do and be anything he or she wants to be. When people are single, they enjoy the following benefits. 1. Freedom from the emotional stress poor relationships or marriages bring. When people are in relationships, they are exposed to stress of dysfunctional partners. This can be really devastating, as they usually have the urge to hold on and press forward with the hope that someday, they will change. A single person doesn't have this kind of issue and can easily stay happy without having to deal with anyone's drama. 2. The privilege to do what they please without seeking for anyone's permission. It's great, right? Being able to do what you really want without anyone dictating whether or not you should do them or how they should be done. Only the singles can explain the joy derived from this kind of freedom. 3. They have the opportunity to make better choices of partners. Those who are currently without partners have the privilege to lay down what they really want from their partners and carefully watch out for them when they come. It's far easier to do this than to be with someone who you think is less deserving without even having the chance to be with the person you would have really loved to be with. 4. Financial freedom. When a person is single, he or she is free from the financial commitment and entanglement they were in during their previous relationship or marriage. They can now spend their money the way they want to without being accountable to anyone. How to acquire the gains of being single. There is a little work to be done if you must truly benefit from your present state. These little activities are carefully selected because they have been proven to really work. 1. Believe being single is a blessing. This is an easy step because we have already discussed the benefits of being single. Believe you can also enjoy it. 2. Let go of every strings that connected you to your past relationship, if any. If you just left a relationship, it is advised that you work on yourself to be sure you have completely forgiven yourself and your ex and has gotten yourself off the hook of that person. If you don't have anything tying you down in this aspect, head on to the next option. 3. Develop yourself. The best thing you can do for yourself is to be better than you were. You have enough time and freedom, use it for your advantage. Learn that trade, take that trip, and do anything that can add to your life. 4. Treat yourself well. Take care of yourself, look good for yourself. You don't have to look terrible because you think you don't have anybody to impress. You deserve the best, so now you have the chance, give it to yourself. 5. Be positive. No matter how bad things may have been, never give yourself the opportunity to be negative. Hold your heads high and know that you are not less deserving. Hold yourself in high esteem and know that things will always get better. How to be happy with yourself. Being happy with yourself may be a very difficult thing to do, especially when you are not growing into or becoming the person you've always thought of being, but nevertheless, you can still be happy with yourself with the following facts. Acceptance. This is the first step to being happy. Accept yourself for who you really are, then the world will have no other option than to accept you too. If there is something you hate about yourself, work hard on changing it, but if it is unchangeable, then be happy with it. Does it make you stand out? Enjoy being different. Forgiveness. Did you really screw up at something that you don't even know how to look at yourself in the mirror? Let it go. Understand that you are human and treat yourself like one. Break out of that prison of self-condemnation and pity, it will only drain your energy. Be hopeful. No matter how hard or difficult it is, don't lose hope. Hope is what keeps you going when everything proves otherwise. It is what makes your smiles possible. Keep facing the positive direction where the bright rays of hope will shine on you and make you happy again. Give yourself what you truly deserve. It's easier to blame people for not treating and giving us what we deserve. Well, I think you have to turn the blaming finger to yourself because you are the #1 culprit of that offense. It's time to do special things for yourself. Take yourself out, give yourself that special treat, cloth, or any of those things that makes life beautiful because you deserve them. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more motivational and natural health videos. Remember to click the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. Follow us on Facebook at Natural Herb Cures and Twitter at Natural Herb Cure and our official website at naturalhealingguides.com. Thanks for watching.